Hi there, welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, we will walk you through how to create packages for your website bookings using the booking engine. Now, in the hotel industry, package bookings are a great way to bundle your room offerings with other services like meals, spa sessions, or local experiences. The idea is to give guests more value, often at a better price, than if they booked everything separately. All right, let's dive in and set one up. First, log into your Bookingjini channel manager. From the left-hand menu, go ahead and click on Booking Engine. Then on the next screen, select Packages. To create a new package, click on the Add Package button. It's up at the top right. A pop-up will appear. Here's what you need to do. Choose the room category for your package. Give your package a name. Let's say we're calling it the Destination Escape Package. Upload a few appealing photos that represent your offer. Write a short description of what's included. Under Inclusions, list all the added benefits, maybe a welcome drink, a guided tour, or breakfast. Once that's done, hit Next. Now you'll set the pricing details. Enter the standard price and a discounted price if you're offering one. Choose the date range when this package will be available. Define how many adults and children can book it. And finally, add any other inclusions or special notes your guests should know. After you've filled in all the details, just click Save. And that's it. Your new package is now live on the booking engine. If you ever get stuck or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and check out our other tutorials for more tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.